Enid, stop messing around. Girls, please pay your attention. You can start with a snake. Beautiful. Great, your time is on. Let me charge the 3D pen. Drawing the snake, starting with red color. Yes, it's great. Black eyes. Enid, stop laughing. I'm sorry, Wednesday. Well, your snake is very funny. Well, let me get started as well. Here's the black outline, then filling everything with red color. Adding some details. It's going to be a colorful snake. Incredible! You guys, I really like it. I bet you've never seen a snake like this in real life. It is definitely one of a kind. And it's not scary at all. We need to ruin Annette's pancake. I'll distract her. Hi, Annette. This is the first time you've asked. Everything is great. I have such a nice… what? Your time is up. Wednesday. Oh, it looks bad. Annette? What did you do? Oh, I don't get it. It's impossible. I'm sorry, Enid, but Wednesday is the winner. Congratulations on your victory. Here is the snake. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. Enid, wanna pet it? No! It's so beautiful. Your next prize is a pink car. I think you'll be delighted with it. The one who draws it better gets it. I want it! Time is on. I need to start as soon as possible. Taking black dough, shaking it, and starting with an outline. It will be the best car in the world. Adding some colorful details. And not forgetting about pink dough. I can drive this car to school. Look how beautiful. I'm thrilled. I'll make it black. Yeah, that way I want this car. Let's start with my 3D pen. I'll make it completely black right away. Well, well, well. That was rather easy. I am done. Wednesday! Good! Well, your time is up. Wednesday? What? But the car is pink. Sorry, but that's not it. Okay, I don't care. Enid? Yes. Oh, how beautiful! You get the keys to this fancy car. The best day of my life! Wow! I already love it! But it's kind of small. I did it! Perfect! Let's go! Teacher, is there a new prize? Oh, I completely forgot. Right, you can draw a skull. Okay. I want this. Oh no! Ew! Your time is on. Let's get started. What color should I use? Let's take white. I've been drawing skulls since I was a kid in my gloomy art school. I used to draw cemeteries, graves, and everything. Like that. Yeah, perfect. I knew it would be easy. Incredible. I'm definitely gonna do better than Enid. Look for yourself. Well, we're almost there. A few details left. And done. Enid, you did nothing. I don't really know what to do. Well, let's start with black, I guess. I
I've got an idea. I'm gonna make my skull beautiful. It's like a girl who's in love. It will be so sweet. Look at the beautiful hearts in the eyes. Lovely. Aww.
Enid is trying to get around again. I won't give up so easily. Huh.
No! Don't come near me, monster!
Wednesday, this is so bad. What about Enid? Oh, a beautiful skull. It's lovely. Enid, you've won.
Thank you! Wednesday, look at this terrifying skull. It's so interesting. Wait. I know what to do. Let's paint it pink. It's already so much better. But we're not there yet. I'm gonna add some rhinestones. Nice! And a beautiful headband. Whoa! Fantastic!
Oh no!
Cool! Wednesday, look at the teacher!
I found a whole spaceship for you. Are you ready to draw it?
Wednesday, I'm gonna win!
Let's start. We'll see who wins. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I'll definitely get the best alien ship. I can already imagine flying into space away from Enid. There we go. Look at me go. You know what? I've got a great idea for our universe. Yes. There we go. My 3D pen is doing magic.
I need to choose the color first. Red! Yep, it fits. Let's make a funny flying saucer. How funny it is already! There we go. Filling it in. It's cute, but doesn't look like the original one. What?
Whoa, your time is up. Wednesday? Whoa, that is really good. What about Enid? Show me.
Oh, it's stuck to the pen!
That won't do. Wednesday wins. Come here, take your prize. I'll be able to fly into space and see all the alien life. Thank you. It's pretty cool here. Bye, everyone. I'm off to space. Whoa, I'm on Mars. How cool. There are so many aliens. You probably want to know something about people. Let's start by learning our traditional dances. Keep it up.
Hello.
A new round means a new prize. High time! I've got an incredible backpack for you. You will definitely like it. But wait a little. There are sweets inside. You can't compete for it. Your time is on.
Awesome! I can handle it 100%. That cute character named Cromie is right on the backpack. I'll try it. I can definitely do it. There's nothing complicated about this task. And then I can enjoy goodies from the backpack. Wow! It's already looking incredible. Well, I am done. I'll play on my phone.
Oh, Enid, you're being childish. I'll definitely do better. Charging my pen and starting the drawing. Cromie's pretty familiar to me. I love this character. Well, I used to love it. Collected all the toys with it. The most beautiful, gloomy character. I'm not really attracted to the backpack, but for what's inside of it. I love sweets. Who doesn't like it? I have to win. That's my duty. I think I'm done. Oh, and it made a great pancake again. I'll use a long fork. And throw it outside. Girls, your time is up. Wednesday? Oh, that is beautiful. And it? I'm sorry, but there's nothing. But I made a pancake! Where is it?
Oh, man!
Then it has nothing, then Wednesday wins. The prize is entirely yours. Great. Enid, I'm ready to share with you. Do you want something?
Yes. Of course! My favorite candies! Thank you, Wednesday. It's good.
You're welcome. I love Fanta. A new round means a new prize. Look what I've prepared for you. A robot doggy. It even has a remote control. Time is on.
Well, I'm gonna get to drawing. Wednesday, have a nice round. Starting with black outline. I'm gonna get a cute doggy. Filling in all the details with colorful dough. And then, filling the whole doggy with white dough. Perfect! It is so good!
Okay, now I'll try. It's definitely gonna be beautiful. Look, it's even gonna be 3D. It's much better. Next is the body. I'll make all the parts separately. Now the head. It remains to collect everything. Connecting all of the parts. And making a tail. Oh! Time is up! Wednesday, show me what you did. Oh, that is a cute little dog. Great. Enid? Oh, Enid. Your dog is even cuter. I don't even know who guessed the price. You both win a doggy. And you can share the toy with each other.
Of course! Wow!
Okay. Put it down.
Wednesday! That is cool! Give me the remote!
Stop!
Oh no! It's broken! Our dog! It's gone! Wow! I got a birthday present! Let's unpack it together! What? Oh, Michael! He's so weird! Well, it's not that important. Let's see what's inside. What kind of blaster is this? Whoa! It reduces objects! What should I do next? Whoa! My plant! Awesome! Oh! Miley! Oh! You've become a baby! What should I do with you? Get in my hand! Oh, Mom and Dad will be shocked. I need to think. Wait. Here, okay, Miley? You're so small. Let's see. Oh, you're actually tiny. And your bed is too big for you now. I know what to do. We're gonna make you a brand new house. And here's my cardboard. Whoa! I'll carve a room out of it. I need a ruler and a pencil. Then we're cutting it into 4 squares. By the way, subscribe to my channel. Pew, pew. Next, we need to glue all these parts together using a glue gun. Awesome! Miley already likes it. But that is not all. We need colorful paper. First, I'm starting with blue. We need some rectangles. Now, taking the glue and applying it onto the paper. Then, gluing it to the box. It looks like the sky. Ooh, we've got some fake grass in here. It's so soft. Awesome! Psst, we need to show Miley. Hey, friend! Check it out! Miley, do you like it? Oh, she definitely likes it. Now let's add stickers in the shape of a heart. These are so cool! Nice! Miley, help me please! Great job! Thank you, friend! I know! Maybe you want a bone there as well! Well. Let's do this! Ha! We've got a bone out of paper! Aww! It says dog! And those rhinestones are so beautiful! It looks even prettier now. Moving on. For my next idea, I need cardboard. All the necessary schemes have already been outlined. All that remains is to cut along the lines. And then gluing all the necessary parts with glue together. It worked! Here's a pedestal in your room! And that's not all. I need a brush and some paint. Dipping the brush into the blue paint and coloring it. It will be very beautiful. Ready! Miley likes it too. Ooh, I feel thirsty. Wait, a straw! Right, I can cut it into small pieces and make a fence. That is definitely a great idea. Wow, so cute. Miley likes my ideas. I'm a genius. What else can I do for you? Right! My Miley needs a bed. To do this, we take some Nerds candy. Yummy! The candy is good, but we actually need the box for the bed. Cutting out the top and cutting a bone from it. Awesome! Then we glue it to the bed. This will be the back of it. We're going to use a brush and paint everything white. Incredibly cute! Miley, what do you think? Do you like it? Ooh, I know! You need some bedding. I've got pink and yellow fabric. I'll make pillowcases and blankets for you. Let's do this. Oh, this is adorable. What a cute teddy bear. But I need your insides. It sounds terrifying. But I'll just take some cotton wool. That will be enough. Filling the pillows with it. They're so soft now. It's cool. Well, Miley definitely likes it. I've also got a blanket. Covering Miley with it. Miley, you're so funny. Ooh, a car. An idea. I'll need a wheel. It will be a table. Awesome. Miley, look what I've done for you. But something else is missing. An idea. I will put a small pot of flowers onto Miley's table. Beautiful! And a photo. She likes it! Great! What a cool video! Would you like to watch it too? Then subscribe to the channel! They're the funniest videos here! Ooh! A toothpick! We need to glue a couple of them to the wall! We have a square shape. Now taking the markers and coloring it! Awesome! Look at those cute paws! My dog Miley has so much clothes! We need lots of hangers for it and lots of place. Ooh! I've got some Nutella. I might need a lid. First, we need to lick it because Nutella is the best thing in the world. I got carried away, but we're moving on. Now, painting everything red. Wow! Ready! It will be another pedestal for Miley. She can show off her outfits on it. And here are Miley's outfits. What do you think? Are you ready to try something on? Let's go show everyone how beautiful you are. Aww. Miley seems to be bored in the room. Wait! I think I know what to do. We need some circles out of plasticine. Wow! Connecting the circles together. And we've got a pool. My baby will love it. But the pool cannot be empty. I'm going to put balls inside. Awesome! I can already see how happy she is. Oh! Now, we need a tube. Do you know why I need it? Take a look for yourself. My Miley loves these pipes in dog playgrounds. Yep, you can climb in there. Oh! Now, let's take my sneakers. I don't need them, but the laces will definitely be useful. Did you remember to subscribe? And don't forget about the bell. Great! We need to make knots out of shoelaces. And attach them to the wall so Miley can't chew it. I think she likes it. Cool! And what do we have here? A skateboard. My dog can definitely skate, and she will like it. Cool! And this looks like Mr. Poncho from Lego. It's so colorful, but I really need your hat. We'll put it in Miley's room and fill it with a bunch of food. Enjoy your meal, cutie. I love you. Oh, I love playing on my phone. Oh. Miley, do you need a chair? Okay, I'll do it. Let's take Kinder Joy. Oh, there's a subscribe button here. I subscribed. And you? Well, I only need the packaging. It will make a great chair for Miley. We paint it in white and glue it together.
Cool.
Awesome! Here you go, Miley. Oops! Sorry, honey. We take cardboard.
Awesome!
We need to cut rectangles out of it. They are so long and straight. Great!
Cool.
We collect all the rectangles and stack them on top of each other. Then, time for some glue. Perfect! We then wrap it in yellow paper. And now, it's a bedside table for a TV. I'll put it in front of the chair. Miley, that is not all. Be patient. We need a TV in your room. Do you like it? She's having lots of fun. Your room is wonderful. Yep, that moment is really funny. Thanks for watching. See you later in our new videos. So much fun! Bye-bye!